Taiyang is a great point for any type of headache, especially the kinds on the side of your head that often happen because of tension, any eye strain, tired eyes, and it's really easy to find. You're just going to, with a clean hand and clipped nails, as we always do with acupressure, but it's particularly important when touching the face, we're going to find the edge of the eyebrow. And then we're also going to find the outer edge of the eye, that's also known as the outer canthus. Midway between those 2 points, we're going to place our finger, and then we're going to go one finger breath behind that midpoint into a depression. This is Taiyang. So let's try that again on the other side. We're just finding the edge of the eyebrow. We're also finding the outer edge of the eye, the midpoint between those two, and then going one finger breath behind that midpoint into the depression. We can do a little round rubbing here until we find an ache. It can be a gentle ache, and you can adjust your pressure for that. That ache is known as de qi in traditional East Asian medicine, and it's a sign that you're stimulating the point. It translates to qi arriving at the point. Qi is energy. So you can rub that for 1 to 2 minutes. You can use 2 fingers. You can use your thumb, just whatever's most comfortable. And release, and that's Taiyang.